Now is the best investment opportunity in your lifetime. I read this article in this week's Wall Street Journal. The next big battle between Google and Apple is for the soul of your car. In the future, your choice of smartphone ecosystem, Android or iPhone, could determine which make and model of car you choose. A few years from now, in addition to deciding your next vehicle and the model, you will have to choose between Google, Apple, and Amazon as your operating system, the system that will manage your life, your car, your home, your health care, your money, your wallet, your payroll, your data payment, your credit cards, big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and quantum computing are about to change your life.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
Between now and October the 31st, I'll be giving away $1,000 for you to buy stock. Moo is adding to my contribution with 15 stocks worth up to $2,000 each. Find the links in the description. Over the last several months, I have liquidated my holdings in Google, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and NVIDIA because I believe they've got some downside. They've got some downside as we move through some very important changes in our world, and that includes Russia, Ukraine, it includes China. There's some downtrend that I need to stay away from. So I have gone to over 60% cash. What I know now is they are going to come back, and they're going to come back stronger than they ever have because we are moving from a system of an iPhone, an Apple phone, or an Android phone to an operating system. Those phones are going to turn into operating systems, and they are going to change every part of our life. As I just said, I read the article just this past week in Wall Street Journal that told me that the car companies are right now vying as to which operating system they are going to work with, which system is going to run your car. What I also know is you're going to have to make a choice of which system is going to run your house, which health system is going to run your health care, which system is going to operate your wallet. It is going to change the whole world from what we know, and I need to know when is the time to get back into Google, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and NVIDIA, because they are going to be the driving forces that use artificial intelligence, machine learning, quantum computing to run our lives. So what I've done is I went back and I created this chart. It's a Excel spreadsheet, and I asked myself, if I had put $10,000 into each of these stocks at their IPO, what would I have now? But then I said, yeah, but I didn't know about them at their IPO. Well, when would have been the best alternate times that I could have bought into them? And the answer to that question was the Dotcom bubble, the subprime crisis, and now. Now is the time. But when now? They're down 20 to 60% now. Are they going another 25% down? I believe they are. So with that in mind, what do? Do I dollar cost average into them as they continue to go down? Or do I astutely watch and determine what is going to happen with Vladimir Putin? What is going to happen with China? What is going to happen with interest rates? What's going to happen with the unemployment that's coming? What's going to happen with the real estate crash that's coming? What's going to happen with the commodity crash that's going to happen? And do we have another year of down for Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and NVIDIA? I believe we do, and I believe I'm smart enough to watch and monitor and know when to get back in. I see in my chart what they are down now, but I believe they've got further to go. And with that in mind, I'm going to astutely watch them and figure out when to go back in, because these stocks are going to double. They're going to triple, because they are going to become what the Wall Street Journal calls an operating system. Go find this article, read it, then go to Seeking Alpha and put in your searches that anytime an article comes up on Google, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and NVIDIA, that you get an alert so that you can stay attuned as to what's happening next. Do you know that Amazon laid off 100,000 people? Do you know that they have shut down 100 of their last-minute distribution centers and have canceled the construction of 10 of their major distribution centers? Do you know that Google is laying people off and telling people, go find another job within the Google system or go find another job somewhere else? When this turns, I need to know about it. So I need to be reading my Seeking Alpha on a daily basis so I know when to get back in, because these stocks are going to double, they're going to triple, they're going to quadruple, because they are going to run my operating system. Because they own big data, because they have the smartest chips in the world, and that's going to change the way we live. My financial system is going to change. Every part of my life is going to change, and it's going to be driven by these 6 companies. I know that. I read the Wall Street Journal. They didn't tell me that, but they mentioned the word operating system for my car. Well, if they can run the operating system on my car, they can run the operating system on every other aspect of my life. And my benefit that I bring to the table is I've seen this happen before. I saw Amazon drop 80% and then come the next year and drop another 20%. I saw them lose 90% of their value in 2 years. I would not be surprised if they don't do something similar, and not probably 90%, but 50%. And I want to be there to buy it. And I want you to be there to buy it, because this is an opportunity of a generation that will never come again, I don't believe, because the dominoes will not line up like this again. That you have inflation, you have interest rates going up, you have a war in Europe, you have a freeze out by Vladimir Putin, you have the second largest economy that is about to fail because of its lack of food, its lack of energy, and its screw up relative to its real estate construction, relative to its financial construction. You have a dollar that is gaining strength, that is going to basically submerge every other trading system in the world and make them dependent on the United States dollar. It's easy to see if you connect the dots. That's what I do. So if that's part of what you want to do, I encourage you to come and join our tribe. Become a member of our tribe. We sit down and we talk about things like this on a weekly basis as our Friday Stock Talk. Go read this book. This is Peter Zion's The End of the World is Just Beginning. Go find the link down below and sign up for Audible, and you can get this book for free. That's what this channel is all about. The other element of the channel that I want to introduce you to is I'm going to bring more presenters on this channel, because I don't talk enough about real estate. I don't talk enough about the opportunities in flipping homes or building a real estate portfolio, and I want to bring that to you. I don't talk enough about alternative investments such as art and farmland, and I don't have time to research that, and I want somebody to research it for me, so I'm going to bring other presenters to Best of Us Investors. And then my ultimate goal is to build this channel to 100 million subscribers and then give you what you deserve. And that is for your loyalty and for your participation in this channel. I want to give you every penny that Google pays me for YouTube clicks. That's your money. It's not mine. I'm merely going to collect it. And as I announced early, I'm going to give $1,000 away this month. I hope it to be $2,000 next month. I hope it to be $5,000 the next month. But that can only happen if you subscribe to this channel and then share this channel with all your friends, all your neighbors, even the people you don't like, so that we can get to 100 million subscribers and I can give you what you deserve. And that is your data payment. Google and Amazon need to be doing it, but they aren't taking the lead, so I will. That's what I'm all about. My name is Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor, and I'm here to help you become wealthy. I'll talk to you more about this tomorrow.